Hi guys. So actually, मेरे driver ने बताया कि here you will see the coffee plantation and so that I'm here. And वो बिल्ली की पॉटी से जो कॉफी बनती मतलब कॉफी निकलती कॉफी बीन्स निकलते हैं उसके बाद जो कॉफी बनती है that is here that is called as Kopi Luwak and we're gonna explore it all. And ignore my dress. I spilled some water on my dress and also I forgot my heels to wear. So yes, let's go inside and let's check it out. Come. We are going to drink coffee, and I guess that is the cat, Kopi Luwak. That's Luwak. Sorry? Oh, they sleep at the daytime? And he said that they are active at the night time, not right now. So that cat is sleeping.
Look at this cat. This cat looks like almost a mongoose. So very cute. At this time he's sleeping.
Spices. And
this is the poo from the Luwak.
this is the poo from the Luwak cat.
Yes, and this one
And they
after
call
the
it
wash.
Kopi Luwak. And this is after the wash, the beans.
Yes, but after
Let me
this,
see. Oh, nice.
then we remove the skin.
Remove the skin of
Yes.
this. Why?
We don't need the second skin.
Okay.
We
you
just
don't
need the
need
bean
it.
inside this one.
Just the beans. Yeah.
And then roasting the coffee. This is finally product.
And this is the product, final product.
Yes, you can smell it.
Oh,
It's the Luwak coffee. And you can
Amazing.
compare with the normal coffee here. The Bali coffee.
so
That's it.
different.
Yes,
So different.
because the animal take the best one.
Yeah.
And then the roasting process.
Roasting process.
Like this, 145 minutes.
5 minutes roasting.
45.
Okay. 45 minutes. Oh my god.
Until like this color.
Until this color.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
After that, we ground it first to make it powder. We smell it like this.
Oh,
Yes. And the last one, just shave it out here to get powder.
okay.
In the powder, we come like instant coffee, and the rest we put it.
And that's my driver. And I have got the best driver possible. He's really good. He's been suggesting me do this, do that, and I'm doing it. He's good. He's really good. All the normal coffees for tasting. These are it. And this is Kopi Luwak, the star of the coffees in Bali, Kopi Luwak. And I'll try all of these and we'll let you know how is it.
So I'm about to try all the coffees. Here he is explaining me that there are all obviously in the tray there are so many coffees. He's just explaining me the order, in which order the which coffee is, and I'm about to try all of these. And they're gonna sell all these coffees in a packet. If you want to buy something from Bali, they have store also in their plantation, coffee plantation, where they explain all this.
Okay. So I'm trying all the coffees. You can see there are lot many coffees in here. So first I'll try Bali coffee. This is Bali coffee. Tastes nice. Then we'll try coconut coffee. It has coconut flavor in it. This is yum. This is really good. And then we are trying vanilla coffee. Oh my god. It has vanilla essence. It is just amazing. Then we are trying ginger coffee. Every coffee is fucking amazing. Sorry for my words, but amazing. Then we have ginseng coffee. This is a bit different. I don't know the flavor, how it is, but it's a bit different. Now we are trying avocado coffee. Yeah? Same as avocado. Then we are trying Bali mochaccino. Tastes same as ginseng. I don't know why. Then we are trying Bali cocoa. This should be nice. This can have a chocolate flavor in it. Cocoa. Mm. Yum. Love it. Then we have durian coffee.
While trying all these coffees, I would like to tell you one more thing that it's optional if you want to try Kopi Luwak. I wanted to try Kopi Luwak, so I tried Kopi Luwak, and I have no issues in drinking strong coffee. So Kopi Luwak is very strong coffee, and you have to pay there for Kopi Luwak. And I paid them. In US, Kopi Luwak is for $50. Here it's $5, so I had to try.
So others are on the teas. I'll try that because I told my driver to hold my phone, and he was doing that job. And he's really good person, as much I can see that. But I loved every coffee here, every drink they gave me. I'm loving it.
Me too.
You too? Nice. Cheers.
Ding.
Cheers. What am I trying? This is lemon tea, I guess.
Lemon.
Yeah?
You
Now-
know this one, no?
This is lemon tea. Yeah.
Now lemongrass tea.
Okay. And this is lemongrass tea.
Lemongrass.
This is lemongrass tea. All the teas and coffees. Then we have herbal tea. It is herbal tea. Now we have Rosella tea. Rosella. I don't know. Whatever. And then we have butterfly pea tea. Let's finish Kopi Luwak. I paid 55,000 for this. I need to finish this now. Will I be able to sleep at night after this?
Yeah.
This is strong coffee. Very strong. I don't want sugar. No. I don't.
Just black.
I like coffee black, no sugar.
Good.
After the Kopi Luwak, I have come to see Malini beachside restaurant, and I think it's really beautiful already. I love it. It is beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the sunset there. Amazing. They have pool here. It just looks amazing. Wow. I changed my dress. I changed my look a little bit. I wore. Oh my god, that sun. Oh, nice. I swear. मेरे को लगता है ना sun is for brown girls. See the difference here, then here. Nice.
Now, let's get ready for the view. Just look at it. Actually, camera can't justice what I literally saw. It was all blue water there, and the sunset, guys. I love sunsets. I love it. Look at there. How beautiful. The sunset. Oh my god. The view is kind of die for.